Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for 7th May 2021. So this analysis is for 7th May only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and as you can see on the screen, I'm using the 4 hours time frame here. And if you watched my yesterday's video, then I told you yesterday that right now market is in no trading zone, and still you can see that market is in this range only. Has unable market is unable to cross this particular range, so still market is in no trading zone. Okay, and if you want to know more about it, then let me show you the weekly chart also. Okay. You can see this is the weekly chart, and this week market has formed a green candle. Previous week market tried to go up but faced price rejection from above. Market made a hammer kind of a pattern. Before that week also market formed a hammer kind of a pattern. For two consecutive weeks, market tried to go up but market failed, which means that sellers are present in the market who did not allow the market to go up. This week market is trying to go up, but we can see on the 4 hours chart that market is facing the selling pressure. But this week, unlike the previous week, this week bulls are trying their best to take the price upward. So still there is no price rejection sign on the weekly chart. We get to see a simple green candle. Let's see how the things will. But one thing is very clear to us from the weekly chart, that we have one important support on the market, and you can see that market is respecting this support for the last couple of weeks. Before this 3 weeks, okay, this same level was acting as a resistance for the market. You can see this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle. Okay, for 1 month, 4 candles means for 1 month it acted as a resistance. When market crossed the level, the same resistance, sorry, the same resistance became the support, and the same level is acting as a support as of now. Okay, confused? Okay, leave it. Let me show you the 4 hours time frame. Okay, just keep in mind that we have got a very crucial support, okay, in the weekly chart. And this is the level that I was talking about. Okay, so as of now you can see that market is a no trading zone. Okay, so as long as market is trading between this range and this range, you should not trade. Okay, even you have got experience, you know how to do scalping, or you know how to trade in a close range market, still I'll tell you that it will be better if you avoid this market, because market is a no trading zone right now. You can see that market is struggling to go up, but still sellers are present in the market who are not allowing the price to go up. So there is a war going on in this range, so just avoid the market. Okay, avoid the market, wait for the market to come down to this particular level, 1.3796. This is the most important level in the market as of now. This is the support for the market. In case market fails to go up and comes down to this particular level, okay, then this is the best level to grab GBP USD. Wait for the market to come down and see how the price is doing. Once it hits or touches the 1.3796 level, if you see that it has taken support and it is about to reverse from here or bounce from here, you can go for a buy at this level. This is the base level, 1.3796. On the other hand, if market succeeds in crossing this level also, okay, I'll tell you not to buy here, because see, market has got resistance again at this level. So if you buy here, then again you have got resistance here. So this trading is not worth. Okay, wait for the market to cross this whole level. Okay, for me, okay, if you ask me, for me this is the no trading zone. I will not trade, and I will personally suggest you to avoid GBP USD as long as market is in this range. Only best and safest position to take any trade is this level 1.3796. This is the only safe level for you to execute any trade, because see, right now market is in range. Okay, in case it crosses the level also, still there is a resistance. Again you have got a resistance, and if it crosses this level also, again you have a resistance. So there are multiple resistances. So there is no point of taking so much risk and headache, okay, when there are multiple currency pairs available with good amount of opportunities. So avoid GBP USD if it goes up. Only opportunity will be at this level 470. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much.